Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip we want to talk about one of the famous programming patterns in the Unity, which is called Singleton. In fact, Singleton is a method to gives us the ability to access to other scripts or parameters and variables of that script from other scripts. Okay, let's figure it out how we can implement a simple singleton pattern in our script in Unity. For example, you can imagine we have a simple scene which is totally empty, but it has a main camera and direction light. We have a singleton script in here. In here, this is our class singleton. I created public static singleton instance. So I created a variable from this class as a static, so we can have access to this variable, to the instance, from other scripts. And we have also a variable which called public float health. Okay, for example, we want to have access to this class and read the number of this variable. This is other scripts. As you can see, we have void start float player health equal singleton dot instance dot health. So as you can see, it is easy access to the script of singleton and also the variable of health. It is the easiest method to implement the singleton design pattern in our scripts. In here we have another kinds of uh, definition of singleton instance. Once we can have property for this parameter, public static singleton instance with the capital I and get and private set. In here, in the void awake, we can check it out if we have already an instance of this singleton. Try to destroy it. If we don't have, okay, instance equal this script. It is the another definition, and also maybe it's better to say the safer way to definition of singleton instance from this script. And in here, as you can see, we can define any function and call this function as well. For example, imagine we have internal audio source, which is called audio source, and we have a function in here, public void play sound. And this is our local variable audio clip in here, and say, okay, audio source, this audio source dot play one shot clip, this guy. And now we can using with this instance singleton and call this function and play whatever we want. Let's check it out in here. You can imagine in the other script we have an audio clip which called sound effect, and in the play sound function we'll call this play sound function of the singleton instance, and we will say, okay, play our audio clip sound effect. With this method, we can use functions, parameters, variables of any scripts without defining manually in the inspector. But this method sometimes make the problems for us. For example, you can imagine this is our game manager, UI manager, IDEO manager, and these are our clients. All the time we need to call them separately, and sometimes, for example, we in the audio manager, if we have several audio sources or several audio clips and we want to call them at the same time, maybe one of them has a delay or has a lower volume, or maybe it's not hearable by user. So this is the priority problem of the single to calling of audio manager. For fixing this problem, the proper solution is we can have player manager, which is already has all functions inside of it and all variables inside of it, and we can instance all these functions from player manager into the client. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, XR, AR, and VR, and like this video if you like. Have a great time. Bye bye.